Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to display Shopify estimated delivery date on product page. So if you're interested, let's get started. So there are actually a way for you to display the estimated delivery date on the product page. So what we need to do here is that we actually have to install an app on our Shopify store. Now in this case, you need to go to your Shopify store here, go to shopify.com, log in, and open up your store. Now in this case, what you need to do is you need to click on settings here, and from here you need to go to apps and sales channel and click on the button that says Shopify App Store at the top right. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to search for the following, which is going to be estimated delivery date. Now once you've done that, you need to open this up. So we have estimated delivery date, and from here what we need to do is choose the appropriate application. Now we'll be using the estimated delivery date plus here, so let's go ahead and open it up since it actually has a free plan. Now from here, click on install, and it's going to open up another tab again, which in this case we need to choose the option that says install. Now once we actually click on install here, it's going to initiate the process of installing that application into our Shopify store, and this is what it's going to look like. So what we need to do is we first have to basically enable our estimated delivery date application here. So typically it's going to say disable here, just click on enable here. And once you've done that, just scroll down a bit, and this is what you'll be seeing. So we have the message text here. So we need to edit this one. So currently it has the free shipping to the following countries. So at the right here, this is the preview that we have. So if you want to remove the free shipping here, you could go ahead and just delete this section here. And we'll be having the order within the next cutoff time, and this for dispatch date, and receive your package between the order delivered minimum date and order delivered maximum date. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just start editing it. Like for example, if you want to change a few things or view the available variables here, as you can see right now. As you can see, we have the basic and advanced progress bar here, but we want to keep this as basic as we can because we only have the free plan. Now, so if you go to the settings here, you'll be able to basically determine the order delivery days range here and the order ready working days as well. And from here, we also have the date setting here, the countdown format, the select cutoff time, and a lot of those things and settings that you could change. Now in this case, you could go ahead and just change a few things here, so it would actually affect the widget that you'll be posting here. Now in this case, once you've edited all the settings that is required here, what you need to do here is just click on the activate app extension here at the top left of your screen, and this should actually open up your team section or team editor here, and you should be able to see this section here. So just make sure that EDD plus init is actually enabled, and once it's actually enabled, you should be able to see a section here that says the current dispatch or the estimated delivery date for you or for your product here. Now in this case, make sure to save your changes first at the top right here, just to make sure that to apply your changes. So let me just reload this page here so that we'll be able to see the updated one here. So in this case, this is what's going to look like right now. Again, make sure to enable the ADD plus init here, so that we'll be able to see it in our store here. As you can see right now, it is now added. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.